In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Mailchimp. This is a useful setup if you want people who visit your Squarespace website to sign up for your email list, and then have those contacts sent directly into your Mailchimp account. Once the connection is in place, your newsletter or form submissions can flow into the Mailchimp audience you choose, which helps keep your email marketing organized. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Open your browser, go to the Squarespace website, and sign in using your account details. Make sure you are logging into the account that contains the website you want to edit. After you are inside your Squarespace dashboard, choose the correct website if you manage more than one site. This part is important because the connection will be set up on the specific site and page that you edit. Once you are in your site dashboard, go to the Pages panel. This is where Squarespace keeps the structure of your website, including your main pages, hidden pages, and any other page sections you may have created. Select the page where you want to add the form. For example, this could be a contact page, a homepage section, a newsletter sign-up page, or another page where visitors are likely to subscribe. If you do not already have a page for this, you can create a new one and use that as the place for your sign-up form. After you have selected the correct page, click Edit on the page. This opens the page editor so you can make changes to the content. At this point, you should be able to click into different areas of the page and add new blocks. Take a moment to choose where the form should appear. Placing it in a clear, visible area can make it easier for visitors to notice and use. Next, add either a newsletter block or a form block to your page. A newsletter block is commonly used for simple email signups, while a form block can be helpful if you want to collect additional information. Choose the option that fits your page and the type of sign-up experience you want to provide. After you add the block editor should open, allowing you to adjust the settings for that form. Now, in the block editor, click the Storage tab. The Storage tab controls where the information from the form will be sent after someone submits it. This is the key area for connecting Squarespace to an outside service like Mailchimp. You may see several storage options listed, depending on the type of block you are using and your Squarespace setup. From the list of storage options, select Mailchimp. This tells Squarespace that you want form submissions or newsletter signups to be stored in Mailchimp rather than only being handled inside Squarespace. After selecting Mailchimp, look for the Connect option. Click Connect, and when prompted, enter your Mailchimp credentials. Use your own Mailchimp login information, and avoid sharing or displaying sensitive account details while recording or presenting this process. After your Mailchimp account is connected, Squarespace will ask you to choose a Mailchimp audience list from a drop-down menu. Select the audience where you want new subscribers to be added. This step matters because Mailchimp uses audiences to organize your contacts. If you have more than one audience, make sure you choose the correct one for this specific form. Once the audience is selected, click Apply to confirm the block settings. This saves the connection settings inside the form or newsletter block. After that, save your page in Squarespace so the changes are published or stored on the site. If there is a Save button, click it and make sure the page finishes saving before you leave the editor. Your Squarespace form is now connected to Mailchimp. From here, visitors who submit that form can be added to the Mailchimp audience you selected. That covers everything you need to know.